Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing general block diagram of communication system. So before discussing the block diagram of communication system, let's see what is communication. Communication basically it is the process of exchanging information from one location to another location, that is from source to destination, and it refers to a process of sending, receiving, and processing of information or signal from one point to another point. As you can see in the block diagram, this is the source and this is the destination. So there is a flow of information from source to destination. So what is electronic communication system? It is defined as the whole mechanism of sending and receiving as well as processing of information electronically from source to destination. Examples are broadcasting, point-to-point, mobile communications, computer communication, and radar and satellite systems. Terms related to communications. First one is message. Physical manifestation produced by the information source and then converted to electrical signal before transmission by the transducer in the transmitter. So that means, so here the information or message can be any type. Either it can be a voice or it can be a text or it can be a video or anything. So but before transmitting that message, it has to be converted to a electrical signal. So how do you convert that message signal to electrical signal? So for that we'll use the transducer, that is the device that converts one form of energy into another form. And input transducer, it is placed at the transmitter which convert an input message into an electrical signal. Example for input transducer is microphone, which converts sound energy into electrical energy. So that means the original message that is given to the transducer, so transducer converts that message to electrical signal. And output transducer, it is placed at the receiver which converts the electrical signal into the original message. So in the transmitter side, the original message is converted to a electrical signal, and again at the receiving end, the electrical signal has to be converted to a original message. So for that, again at the receiving end, we'll use the transducer. Example for output transducer is loudspeaker, which converts electrical energy into the sound energy. And one more term is signal, that is electrical voltage or current which varies with time and is used to carry message or information from one point to another point. So these are some terms used in the communication system. So this is the block diagram of communication system. The basic elements are source, or you can say the information, transmitter, and then communication channel, receiver, and destination. And also noise will be there. So now let's discuss these elements one by one. So first one is information source. That is, the communication system exists to send messages. Messages come from voice, data, video, or other types of information. As I told, the message can be anything. It can be a voice, it can be a data, video, or other types. So that is the information. But before sending that information, it has to be converted to the electrical signal, that is by using the transducer. So next one is transmitter. The transmitter is a collection of electronic circuits designed to convert the information into a signal suitable for transmission over a given communication system. So that is not it transmits the input message into electrical signals such as voltage or current into electromagnetic waves such as radio waves, microwaves, that is suitable for transmission and compatible with the channel. And next, communication channel or medium. The communication channel is the medium by which the electrical signal is transmitted from one place to another. And the communication medium can be a pair of conducting wire or coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, or even free space also. And there are five criteria of a transmission system, that is capacity, performance, distance, security, and cost, which includes the installation, operation, and maintenance. And in the block diagram, we have shown here at the communication channel the noise signal. So here, noise is random, or you can say undesirable electrical energy that enters the communication system via the medium and interferes with the transmitted message. So, some noise is also produced in the receiver also. And here the noise can be natural or man-made. Natural noise includes noise produced in nature, example from lighting during the rainy season, or noise due to radiations produced by the sun and other stars. And in other way, man-made noise is the noise produced by electrical ignition systems of cars, electric motors, and fluorescent lights, etc. And next, receiver receives the electrical signals or electromagnetic waves that are sent by the transmitter through the channel. It is also separate the information from received signal and send the information to the destination. That means it receives the whatever the signal from the transmitter. So at the receiver, again it is converted to the original message by using the receiver transducer, and finally it will be sent to the destination. So basically a receiver consists of several stages: amplification, frequency conversion, and filtering, all those things. And last one, destination, is where the user receives the information such as loudspeaker or usual display, computer monitor, plotter, and printer, etc. So this is about the block diagram of communication system.